Hi, welcome to Jumppl. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create projects and sub-projects on your Jumppl account. So let's get started. You'll notice on the tasks section there's a projects drop-down list. When you click the list, you'll notice all your projects are listed here. I'm going to start a new project. Let's call it A2 Marketing. And you're going to click Create, and there you go. You'll notice up here that your new project will be listed. Now that we've created a project, you'll notice on your right-hand side that the project is not shared and you can share your project. So let's click on this and you can share it with any group. So I'm going to share it with the Acme team. Once the project is shared, you'll see it right here. For the next step, we can start adding tasks. So you'll see the task section right below here. I'm going to create a new task. Let's call it Best SEO Practices. Click Add. And there you go, you have your task created. So you'll see a small plus sign here. I'm going to assign this task to Edward. You'll notice that there's another plus sign here, which means that you can assign the same task to multiple people. So I'm going to share this with Emma as well. Perfect. Now that we know how to create projects, let's head on to sub-projects. Creating a sub-project is very simple. So you'll click down to your projects list, you'll hover over your current project, which is A2 Marketing, and there you go. You can create your sub-project right here. I'm going to call it Keywords. When you look up here, you'll notice everything is listed in a hierarchy. This really helps simplify all your projects in one place and kind of gives you an overview, which is great. So that's how you create projects and sub-projects on Jumppl. Thanks for watching.